moving, bro. Good evening, gentlemen. Y'all doing the engine swap? Another one. What's up, Mike?
Hi, I just dumped all the soil.
Why ain't your horn working? Where are you going?
I just dumped the soil off for my mom.
Are you going home? Mwah. Another one. Oh yeah, he want the smoke. Where'd he go?
Oh, I was trying to line up with him and race.
What a pussy!
I was like, bro, I'm trying to line up. He's like, oh.
See, that's why I got on the highway. He didn't want to come.
I was trying to drop the gear, line up with him, but he wouldn't let me.
His shit was fast, but he couldn't fuck with us. The car gonna blow up. Imagine getting embarrassed in a group with a group of other riders behind you. Oh, here they go. We're moving, bro.
Good start. You took off before. I know, and then I let you catch up, and I fucking took off again. And I missed my shit. I think my shit is a little faster, though.
I don't know. We'll have to line up and do a pull.
Alright, you dickheads. Try to turn this bike at 60 miles per hour. You motherfuckers.
At least you're comfortable when we go far. Fuck. Fuck it. I'm gonna hit the lick. You ever seen this before? He put tire shine on, but he ain't washed his truck. I've never seen that before in my life.
Now you have.
In case the boys come over, gotta put tire shine on.
Him?
No, I smelled burnt clutch.
Might be mine.
Fuck, it's all ours.
I'm always smelling something. It smells like it's burning when we're all riding.
You, how many miles you got again?
26.
Yeah, don't be surprised you start smelling this shit.
I think the clutch has already been done, but I think it is slipping a little bit. Huh?
It's just guys being dudes, bro. Yo, these mosquitoes are out, bro.
Yeah, they are. That fucking bit, so.
They eating you up.
I'll have to take it off anyways later today.
So, y'all, I'm going straight.
Everyone's going to Scott's.
I'm going to Minnesota, bro. I'm gonna hit it straight. I'm going down Minnesota.
I'm gonna just ride with you and break
Bro, we'll do it tomorrow, bro. I really can't. I'm literally tired, bro.
Alright, you're so sexy.
Almost on the slope. The highway will take us downtown. You guys can take your pussy route home. Then suck some